Hi, my name is Andrew, and today I lost my two front teeth, but they're growing in. Now I can't say my SH or my TH. I don't like that. So today we're actually gonna be putting loops over the lettuce and spinach because they're growing so tall. And yeah, just like the last video, we haven't been getting a lot of videos out because you already know school that we go to every day except Sunday and one Monday next week and Saturday. So those are the days that I don't go to school. Just one Monday next week. Guys, look, our peas. Eat 'em, eat 'em. I said eat 'em, I said eat 'em. So guys, this is the real ball, and I'm going to use the hammer to bang it down. Whoa! So we got our full reballs in. Now I'm going to take this thing that jiggles like a noodle and we're going to slide it on. We're going to bend it. Okay guys, now we just gotta do that one more time. Oh my gosh. Can't even get it on. That was a real noise. I'm gonna come over here. Come on guys. I think I just popped the pebble. Dad, I need your help. Put the people down. So guys, this is what it looks like so far. Guys, you do not want to know how hard this took. Really hard. So now we just gotta put the mess back over the top. Not when I'm at. Guys, like and subscribe to help me. I still didn't see you guys subscribe. Okay, thank you for subscribing to Andrew's Veggie Pad. So, we got our balls in, we got our two balls in, and we got this mess. We put this on because the bugs were eating them. So we put this on to keep the bugs out. But when it starts to snow and then this gets frosty, we'll quickly replace the mess with plastic. And that will help you to keep your plants growing longer. I need to go to school now, so like and subscribe. Bye!